Let me show you how to hard reset your Casio GShock GBA-950 and also clear all settings from the watch. So if something is not working, or also you need to return to the factory state, or maybe if you are returning the watch, we can easily do it. So the way we do it, first make sure you are in the watch face menu where you can see currently your time. So if you need to basically toggle, use this mode button to basically go to this menu where you can see our time and date essentially. Then what we are going to do is we are going to press and hold the display button for, okay, so till it's like this. So this is where we can change our time, but what we are going to do is we are going to simply press and hold the lap button, so this button. So press and hold it, so it will say clear, but simply keep holding it. More, clear all, and once you are at this, release. And basically now we have pretty much everything reset on this watch. So it will actually ask us to set basically the time from fresh. If you do not want to set it, so simply push the display button, so you see it's essentially a brand new watch now and everything is cleared. Also it will also like unpair from your phone app here as well, so it won't be paired anymore, so we can set it up and use as brand new watch. Anyway, good luck.